Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make Edge your default browser. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To make Microsoft Edge your default browser in 2024, you can follow these steps. Firstly, click on the Start button or press the Windows key. Then click on the gear icon to open Windows Settings. In the Windows Settings menu, click on Apps. Within the App Settings, click on Default Apps located on the left-hand side of the window. From the list of available browsers, scroll down to find and click on Microsoft Edge. Then finally, click on Set Default to set it as your default browser. Once you've selected Microsoft Edge, close the settings window. Your changes will be automatically saved, and Microsoft Edge will now be your default web browser. By following these steps, you can easily make Microsoft Edge your default browser on your Windows computer in 2024. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.